Yeah, so here we have the old Hot Wheels Ford F-150
Ooh.
souped up edition, blue highlights on it.
Nice.
Let's just do a little unboxing right here.
Yes, yes.
So as I make the first incision in the box right here, you can see I'm having a little troubles. Kind of, they airlock it tight, you know. Oh, I couldn't get it all.
Oh, that's terrible.
No, don't you worry, don't you worry. I shall get it yet. Oh, I didn't even get it. But yeah, I shall get it this time if I am persistent enough. Oh, see that? You see that?
Ooh.
Right there. And ready? Ready?
Oh, you can smell it.
I shall be getting it out of the...
Whoa! On DBS.
You can see it right there. See it right there. I shall be getting it out of its container right now, and there it is. There is the car itself.
It's not in mint condition anymore.
No, but it is not for me. It is for play and for play only.
Charles, what do we have here? What do we have here?
We have a Ford F-150 and an Aston Martin DB9 right there.
And who's this? This would be Oscar Conti.
Innocent bystander, I think.
This is Matthew Palmer. Yeah, rock on, Matt.
Mate.
There you go.